Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to remove duplicates from the set of values. In my earlier videos you have seen how to highlight the duplicate values. Here I am going to show you how to remove duplicate values from the set of values. Before that, let's see what is there in the data sheet. Okay, I have defects of a product on a daily run basis. Okay, I have the defects numbers here, so I want to remove that defects which are repeated from my list. Okay, only I need the unique defect numbers. Okay, so doing so, what I need to do is I first before that I just highlight what is the duplicate values in the list. Okay, conditional formatting, duplicate. Okay, duplicate. I select the duplicate. You can select the unique. You want to see the unique. Okay, duplicate and okay. So this my conditional formatting rule gives me that what is the duplicate values in the list. Okay, now what I want is my idea is to remove the duplicates. Okay, so I want only the unique values. So how to remove the duplicates? Okay, it can be done in two ways. Okay, so removing the duplicates can be done in two ways. I show you both the ways. You select whichever is possible and whichever is easier for you. Okay, so first of all I just copy and paste the data here. Okay, so here in this list I'm going to remove the duplicates. This is the original list. Okay, this, so I am going to remove the duplicate. So how to do it? Just select the column, then go to data. Okay, in data there is a tab called data tools. In this data tools, go to remove duplicates. Okay, remove duplicates. So go and click on remove duplicates. It will ask you whether you want to remove it only for this column or only for this selection or expand this selection. Okay, so this functionality is very useful because sometimes we may not know. Simply click on the column and remove the duplicates from the column, but it may have corresponding record in the previous columns. So such situations you need to expand the selection, then it will also expand to the other columns and remove the duplicate record so that the whole row will go off, those duplicate rows. But in this case we are removing from the only one column, so it will remove only the duplicated cells in that column only. Okay, so continue with the current selection. Okay, so I want it only duplicate values. Cells need to be treated as cells and it has to be removed, not the corresponding values in the other cells to be removed. Okay, so remove duplicates. Okay, is it the column name defects daily run? My data has headers, yes, and defects daily run is the column name, yes. So remove the I selected the column name, remove. You see it is 9 unique values, and okay, I'll show you the remove duplicates. You see the message also, 1 duplicate value found and removed, 9 unique values remain. So how many values has been removed? It's 1 value is removed and the other 9 unique values remain here. Okay, so this is the way you can remove the duplicate values from the list. Okay, this is one method. By data tools, remove duplicates. What is the other way? You can do it the same thing using the advanced filter from the sort and filter category. Okay, in sort and filter category there is one tool available here, which is the filtering complex criteria, advanced filter. Okay, so how to do this one? Okay, where do you want to remove it from this set? Okay, so advanced, select the advanced filter. Now what is the list range? Where do you want to remove? Just remove this one from the column A. What we are not going to replace it in the same place. We are going to replace this one, copy the resultant set into that column. Okay, so copy to another column, copy to where? Here. And here you see in the filter itself there is one checkbox, unique records only. I am using a criteria is blank criteria. I am not giving any criteria, so that I am going to put all the values of this. Same time I also check unique records only. Okay, now you see the advanced filter also come up with the unique records, unique values of the daily run. Okay, the unique, you see, you select the whatever you want to get the unique values, go to the advanced filter, copy to another location. This advanced filter is used for filtering some filter done using a complex or difficult criteria ranges. Okay, but what we are going to do is we are just leaving the criteria range. We are not giving any criteria to filter. That means it will filter all the values. Same time we are using that functionality to give us only the unique records. Okay, check this one. Okay, this way you can also get the unique values of a particular list. Okay, so we have two ways to do that. One is the remove duplicates, and other one is give us the unique record. The remove duplicates option is there in the data tools, and give unique records option is the indirect way of doing it using the advanced filter. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, just press like, and if you have any suggestions or improvements, just let me know on the comment section, and God bless you.